Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming this is your Google account and that sync is enabled because saved passwords live with your account. Once signed in, open Passwords. Google, Com, or in Chrome, go to Settings, Autofill Passwords. This opens the Password Manager. You'll see a list immediately. Make sure your device lock is set, since Google will require it to reveal anything. Doing this now gets you straight into the manager so you can view or export credentials securely. Once inside, search for the account you need. This cuts down scrolling. Click the eye icon beside an entry to reveal the password. Google asks for your computer or phone PIN, fingerprint, or system password to ensure it's you. After authentication, you can copy or edit the password directly. If you need many entries, consider the export function, but note it requires re-authentication and creates a plain CSV. So be careful where you save it and why you're exporting. To finish, use the three-dot menu and choose Export Passwords if you need an offline copy. Google will prompt for your system password again because the CSV is unencrypted. Save it to a secure location, then immediately delete the file when finished and sign out of the session. If you can't view or export, make sure Chrome is updated, you're fully signed into the correct account, sync is enabled, and your device lock works. Those are the main blockers and quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.